Hi guys, welcome to me and Emma's cooking show where we do 30 days, 30 recipes, and this is episode 1.
Today we are making
Chocolate covered dates.
We have dates, almonds and white chocolate. So we have taken some dates and now we're going to take the seed out of it. We have separated the seeds and now we're going to put it inside the date. Now we're gonna melt this white chocolate and wait, we'll come back after melting. Guys, yeah, it's wrong. Now we're gonna go melt this. Yeah.
Guys, we burnt it a bit, but it's
But it fixed it.
Yes.
So like it was stayed in the chocolate. I think probably that's why it got a little bit burnt. So we added
some milk. Yeah.
and now this looks fine. This looks orange because it was a little bit burnt. Don't mind it. It'll be good, man. It'll be good.
Just the process.
Okay, now we're gonna cover the dates with it. Yeah. So this looks like something. At least we tried. Like the chocolate melted part was a fail, but I think this will be good. So now we're gonna go put this in the freezer and we'll be right back. Guys, so this is freezed. This is done now. Now we're gonna taste it. Moment of truth. You go first. Should we go echo?
Yes. Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers. The chili is so good. I like this. I would recommend
I have a recipe.
iftar. If you are looking for iftar dessert, this is like good, really good.
But don't burn the chocolate.
Bye.